how to turn off safe mode in OME TV. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off safe mode in OME TV. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to launch the application and then you're going to click on your profile at the bottom left. Once you do so, you're going to click on the settings icon at the top right. So you need to acknowledge some things that the safe mode is dependent on your device and location. So some of the devices or versions might not have the option of safe mode, and some of the locations might not allow them either, because some locations by default are on safe mode. Within some locations, you'll have the flexibility to change them. In my location, I don't have the flexibility to change the safe mode, but if you do have, you'll be able to see a safe mode option appear at the top of blocked users. So what you're going to do is simply toggle the safe mode option off, and once you do so, you're good to go. You have successfully turned off safe mode in OME TV. But if your application doesn't have the option, that means your location is not eligible to turn off the safe mode. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.